Hi, my name is Tyria Stokes, and I'm from Jersey City, New Jersey. Currently reside in Newark, New Jersey. I'm a mother of one, Zion, who will be two on this Saturday. And I attend Ashford University. I'm getting my master's in education with a concentration in family and community services. Some of my professional backgrounds is I am an educator. I've been an interventionist now for about 10 years. And also, I'm a community activist. I have my own nonprofit organization called Community Outreach Transformation Station. My goals with this degree is actually to become a stakeholders engagement specialist. So, though I have been in the schools for 10 years, my ultimate goal is not to work within the classroom. However, it is to bridge the gap between family, community, as well as the teachers and staff of the school. So, bringing everyone together. So, that is my goal. Also, for the final project, I would like to represent a community or the community. I believe it said the community center, but that is something that is right up my alley with all of the work that I do in my community. So, with my final project, I will be focusing on representing the community. It is a pleasure to be in the class and look forward to see what we learn together. Thank you.